I just wanted to come on here real quick, talk to you real quick for a second here, and talk about kind of an upcoming goal that we're trying to achieve and something that we want you to help us out with. So a way for everybody to get involved. We started Tanner Style back in, I think it was January or February, I don't even remember exactly. And we've made a number of videos so far. And every time that we come down here and make a video, we put in a lot of work. I mean, we really do. We put in a lot of work, especially my wife, Shar, my son, Joseph. They do all the editing for these videos. And the editing is no small task. So this has taken up a lot of people's time, a lot of effort. So we enjoy making these videos, but we're not really doing it just purely for enjoyment. We would like to get this channel to the point where it can be monetized, right? And that would really help us out as a family, and it would help us to be able to make these videos, make them faster, as well as make them more often, because there's a lot of stuff that I want to do with this channel, and we really are hindered by the fact that we can't do this all the time. You know, I've got to drive Uber. I'm putting in, 48 to 72 hours a week, plus we have other things going on. We have 4 kids. It all adds up. So we really want to get to the point where we can get monetized, so we can make this more of a regular thing, do this and make better content, right? We want you to have better content. And so we really need to get past that monetization hump. And what that hump is we need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watched video. That's the monetization barrier that we have to cross, right? So as of the time that we're shooting this, we've got about 59 subscribers, and we really love and appreciate every single one of you. And I mean that sincerely. We really do, okay? But we need more. And so, every time that we ask for you guys to comment, every time that we ask for you to share, we really appreciate it if you could interact in those ways. But we've decided to set some goals to help us to get there, right? And with the accomplishment of each goal will come some kind of a reward. And we would like to thank and reward you for helping us to get there. On our way up to 1,000, we've set some benchmarks. First benchmark, so for 100 subscribers, when we hit that benchmark, we're going to do a drawing for a batch of my specialty habanero chocolate chip cookies, okay? And the way that we do any of these drawings, the way it's gonna work is you're gonna comment whenever we hit that 100 subscriber mark. We're going to post that video, and you're gonna comment down below cookies or I want cookies, something like that. And we also have a Facebook page that we just launched, so feel free, go ahead and follow us over there as well. So we're going to be drawing from all the people who we have in our cookie pool when we hit 100 subscribers. This is a recipe that I created. It's, look, I mean, I don't want to be like all, I don't know, but they're the best cookies in the world. I'm sorry, but they are, at least in my opinion. All right, so when we hit 250 subscribers, we are going to do a little giveaway. We're going to do another giveaway, right? And this time we're going to give away some special items that we've collected in the course of building this channel and making videos. We have a few things that we don't necessarily need, some things that we think will be fun for other people to have. I'm not going to reveal what those are just yet. The next benchmark that we're going to shoot for, we're going to shoot for 500 subscribers. When we hit 500 subscribers, then we're going to make a special video where I will do an eating challenge, which will be decided by you. You get to suggest an eating challenge, something that you think would be fun to watch me do. I realize I'm opening myself up for unimaginable torture, but I'm willing to do it for you guys. And then our next benchmark we're going to shoot for is 750 subscribers. When we get to that point, then we're going to give away a little meal kit. Everything pre-made, pre-assembled, put together, so that all you have to do at home is just literally take the pieces and put it together, okay? And this meal kit that we're gonna give away is for another little specialty thing of mine that I've made. We're gonna make a video on this coming up soon, and it's a sandwich that I made that I like to call the depression treating ham and cheese sandwich. And the reason why it's called the depression treating ham and cheese sandwich is because it's good. It's really good. And it may or may not be an unofficial treatment to help with depression. I don't know. I know every time I eat it, I sure feel a whole lot better. It's pretty good. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, that's the next big benchmark we want to hit after 750. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, then we're going to make a video cooking a very special meal that I and my whole family will all eat, where every component of the meal, so we're talking a main entree with a protein, a starch, and a vegetable, okay, and then a dessert as well. So full meal. Every component will have some kind of bug, okay, and we're going to make everyone eat it. And some of my kids are not too hot on this idea, but I'm going to make it good. I'm actually going to make it so that it tastes good. So, you know, you can watch us eat something gross, or you can watch it and go, oh, so that's how you eat that and make it taste good. I don't know. We're going to find out. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, that video is being made. We appreciate you all hanging out with us. We appreciate you all watching our videos. We appreciate all of the support, and we ask yet again for just a little bit more support. We ask for you to help us to reach some of these benchmarks. You do this by watching the videos, by sharing the videos, and you do this by commenting. It really does make a big difference. It really does help us out. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully, you know, we can offer something good here for you guys, something that helps you to learn something, helps you to look at food in a different way. I don't know. Bring something positive to your life. That's all we're really trying to do here. Thank you for helping us out, and I look forward to hitting those benchmarks with you all and sharing a little bit more of who we are and what we do here with you. Please comment below or comment on Facebook where you would like for this channel to go, what you'd like to see us do. All right. See you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.